Right, example 2. Example 2 using left order join. Write the example. See, to understand easily, I'm creating tables like this so that you will understand how equi-join is working, left order join is working. While writing insert comment, give double quotes. While writing the queries, write the output also. It will be very clear. So equijoin will works. ఈక్విజాయిన్ ఎప్పుడు వర్క్ అవుతుంది అంటే మ్యాచింగ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఈక్విజాయిన్ ఇవ్వాలి. అన్మ్యాచ్డ్ రికార్డ్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యూ హావ్ టు గో విత్ అవుటర్ జాయిన్స్. So now we'll see right outer join will see here. So right outer join means it will take all the records from the second table and joins with the first table. So here we should not change the order here. So we are using first table as second table as first table. We should not change the order. I will create separate tables for this to understand. So here I am creating E-info 3 and E-info 4. I am creating new tables here. Create a table E-info 3 and E&O number of 5 and E-name varchar 2 of 15. Insert into E-info 3 values. Here I'll use 1001, then name. One zero zero three, then name, and 1005. So here I am giving 3 records here. 3 records in the first table. Now creating second table. Create table E-info 4. E&O number of 5. Salary number of 5 is given. insert into E-info 4 values. And here salaries are given here. 1001 salary. One zero zero three, 1004, so here select asterisk from E-info 3, select asterisk from E-info 4. So this time first table is having 3 records and second table is having 5 records. So here you can see 1001 Ram, salary is 40,000 is given. Here 1002 is missing. But for 1002 salary is there. 1003 because salary is 30,000 is given. Here 1004 is not there. 1004 salary is 35,000 is given. And next one is Arvind 1005 salary 55,000 is given. So here first table is having more records or second table is having more records? Second table is having more records. So if I want all the records, then I should write right order join. If I write equi join, I will get 3 records. If I write left order join, I will get 3 records. If I write right order join, I will get 5 records because second table is having more number of records. Now I'll write equi join query. So here select E-info 3 dot E-info 4 I'll give. E-info 4 dot ENO because E-info 4 is having 5 records. ENO, E-name salary from E-info 3, then E-info 4. Here we should not change the order of tables. First table is small, second table is bigger. Then first table, second table. And after this, where condition, where E-info 3 dot ENO equal to E-info 4 dot ENO. This is equi-join because it is having where clause, common column name equals to symbol is there. So it is giving 3 records. 103, 104 it is not giving. Left order join also will show 3 records only because first table is having only 3 records. Now right order join. Select E-info 4 dot ENO, then E-name salary from E-info 3, then right order join E-info 4. On condition E-info 3 dot ENO equal to E-info 4 dot ENO. So this will show 5 records here. Again, we have to use order by to get values in ascending order. Order by E-info 4 dot ENO. E-info 4 is having many records. We'll use E-info 4. So we'll get like this, including 102, including 105. So if I use full outer join, so if I use full outer join is the combination of left outer join and right outer join. It is used to show values from both the tables. So here we'll use this. So here I am using E-info 1 and E-info 2. E-info 1, E-info 2. So E-info 1 having how many records? E-info 1, E-info 1. E-info 1 having how many records? 3 records. E-info 1. E-info 1 how many records? 3 records. In E-info 2 having how many records? E-info 3 having how many records? Okay. So E info 1 having how many records? Very good, very good. E info 2? Very good. E info 3? E info 4? So here I'll give like this. Select E info 1 dot ENO. E info having 5 records. So I'm using ENO from the table. Then E name salary. Then here I'll say from E info 1. Then full outer join. Then E info 2 on condition. E info 1 dot ENO equal to E info 2 dot ENO. So this is giving 5 records without order by. Without using order by, it is giving 5 records. Now I'll use E info 3 and E info 4. Select E info 4 dot ENO. E info 4 is having 5 employee numbers, so I'm using it. E name, then salary. From E info 1, full outer join. So E info 3, no? E info 3. Full outer join. E info 4 on condition. E info 3 dot ENO equal to E info 4 dot. So 5 records. Okay. So without checking whether first table is small or second table is small, first table is big, second table is big, directly we can write full outer join we can write here so that we can get all the records. Right outer join. Next, full outer join. And this writing. So I'll see your notebooks, tables, output also should be there. I think some are not writing output. Output is very important. Okay, students, these are the examples using inner joins and here we saw the examples using inner joins and outer joins. And here we have discussed about set operators also. Set operators after constraints. After constraints, we have used set operators. Set operators are used to join the results of two queries. In set operators, we are writing how many select statements? In set operators, we are writing how many select statements? Two select statements. So two select statements means it will show two results as one result. Two result as one result. And while working with these set operators are for joining the rows, and the joins are for joining the columns. Whenever you want to join columns of different tables, then we can use joins, we can use it. And in set operators, we have discussed about three, we have discussed. Three, union all, intersect and minus, we have discussed. So after joins, now we are going to discuss about subqueries. Listen, here when we say about subqueries, here we are having subqueries, nested subqueries and correlated subqueries. So we'll see all one by one. So here subquery means query within another query is called as a subquery. If you are writing select statement in another select statement, if you are writing select statement in another select statement, it is a subquery. So when execution is done, subquery is executed. So here you can see outer query is called as main query, outer select statement. Inner query is called as subquery here. So when subquery is executed, subquery will execute first and the value of the subquery is used by the main query. Execution will start from the last. Subquery will execute first and the value of the subquery is used by the main query. So here if I want to get the details of the employee with the first highest salary. So now I'll use the sample tables because it is having related data is there here. Related data. Select as tick from EMP. So here EMP table is there here with how many columns? How many columns? 8 columns. How many rows? How many records? So 14 records. 14 records are there. Here you can see what is the first highest salary here. What is the first highest salary? What is the maximum salary here? Maximum salary is 5,000. Here you can see 5,000. So King President 5,000 is there. So here I should get the details of the employee with with the details of the employee with the highest salary, maximum salary. So here I am giving like this. Select max sal from EMP. If I say select max sal from EMP, highest salary, it is giving 5,000. It is giving. It is giving 5,000. Okay, 5,000 it is showing. But I want the details. ENO, E-name, then job, department number, all those I want here. Okay. So now here I'll write like this. Select EMPNO, E-name, job, max sal and giving. So along with other columns and giving max function. So here we have group or aggregate functions. 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 So group or aggregate functions works on multiple values or multiple rows existing in the table. So group functions means count, sum, average, maximum, minimum, standard deviation, variance. All these we have discussed in all these names have told in group by statement. In group by statement we have discussed. How many of you practice order by statement? How many of you practice group by statement? Group by. How many of you practice constraints? Constraints. How many of you practice joins? Morning, many students, boys are not coming, girls are not regular. I don't know what's happening. So I think you are not getting time for doing practice, I think. మీరు హర్ట్ అయి ఉంటారు అనుకుంటున్నాను నేను. అంటే ప్రాక్టీస్ టైం అవ్వట్లేదు కదా అని హర్ట్ అయ్యి మీరు క్లాసెస్ మానేస్తున్నారు అనుకున్నాను నేను. మీరు అదే రీజన్ మీద హర్ట్ అయితే నేను చెప్తాను వాళ్ళకి ఇలా స్టూడెంట్స్ హర్ట్ అవుతున్నారు, మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ టైం అవ్వట్లేదు అని చెప్తాను నేను. చెప్పాలి అలాగే. మీరు ఏం ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయట్లేదు. మీరు నిన్న ఏం చేశారు? 4 to 6. Yesterday 4 to 6 what we did? Papers, 3 papers, 2 papers, 3 papers. Third exam, third test, second test, third test, fourth test. నేను ల్యాబ్ లో వచ్చి మాట్లాడదామంటే నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది. మీరు సీరియస్ గా రాసేస్తుంటారు. అసలు యూ విల్ నాట్ ఈవెన్ టర్న్ యువర్ హెడ్. నాకు భయం వేస్తుంది ల్యాబ్ లోకి రావడానికి. రాసేస్తారు స్పీడ్ గా, మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ స్టాప్ చేసి ఎక్కడ ఫీల్ అవుతారు అనిపిస్తుంది నాకు. ఏంటి చేయట్లేదు ప్రాక్టీస్? నేను అదే కన్స్టెంట్స్ చేయలేదు, గ్రూప్ బై చేయలేదు. ప్రాక్టీస్ అక్కర్లేదు కదా గ్రూప్ బై కన్స్టెంట్స్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఐ థింక్ నో నీడ్ ఆఫ్ డూయింగ్ ప్రాక్టీస్. ఐ థింక్ ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? మీరు ఏదో చెప్పండి. నేనేదో చెప్తున్నాను, మీరేం చెప్పట్లేదు. నేను నో ఎస్ చెప్పండి. ప్రాక్టీస్ నాట్ రిక్వైర్డ్? నో. Okay, see. So now what we are discussing now, students, what we are discussing now? What we are discussing now? Subquery. Query within another query. So now I am writing select max cell. I am using with other columns. If I use only max cell, it is working. If I use only max cell, it is working. If I use aggregate function with other columns from EMP, so it is not giving result. If I use a group function with other columns, we are not getting employee number, name, job, we are not getting. With other columns, group or aggregate functions are not working. But what is my requirement? I want to see the details of the employee with highest salary. With one query, with single query, it is not possible. With single select statement, it is not possible. Then we have to use subquery. We have to use. So here I'll write the select EMPNO ename job, then salary, department number, from EMP, where salary equal to select maxsal from EMP. So like this will get. So this is the subquery here. This is the subquery which is in brackets. Subquery will execute first. Subquery will execute first. Subquery will give 5,000. That 5,000 is used by the main query. Select EMPNO, ename, job, salary, department number from EMP table where salary equal to 5,000. Okay, then it is giving the result like this. Like this it will give. And here you can say query to get second highest salary from EMP table. Like 2 days back, one student is asking this query, how to get a second highest salary. Like first highest salary is there, third highest salary is there. But student is asking second highest salary. I don't know why. Okay. Yeah. So here we'll see to get second highest salary. Okay. Select asterisk from EMP. So in EMP, what is the second highest salary? Please see and tell. In EMP table, what is the second highest salary? How much? 3,000. Third highest salary? 2,975. Now we'll write query to get second highest salary. So what I'm writing now? Main query I'm writing. Select. Main query I'm writing. Select maxsal from EMP where salary less than. Select maxsal from EMP. So this is the query. So here when you see this, here select maxsal from EMP means it will give 5,000. Subquery will run first. It will give 5,000. This 5,000 is used by the main query. Select maximum salary from EMP where salary less than 5,000. Less than 5,000, highest salary is 3,000. Here it will show 3,000. Max salary is 3,000 you will get. Okay. అవన్నీ చెప్తాను 1 by 1 చెప్తాను నేను మీకు నెక్స్ట్ థర్డ్ ఐఎస్ అంటే నెస్టెడ్ సబ్ క్వరీస్ ఓకే సెకండ్ చెప్పిన తర్వాత థర్డ్ చెప్పకుండా ఉంటాను కంపల్సరీగా చెప్తాను నేను సో ఇక్కడ మీకు ఏం డౌట్ రావాలి తెలుసా ఇక్కడ మీకు డౌట్ రావాలి డౌట్సే రావట్లేదు మీకు ఇక్కడ మీకు ఒక డౌట్ రావాలి ఏంటది ఏంటండి 3,000 రెండు ఉన్నాయా అవును సెకండ్ హైయెస్ట్ సాలరీ అంటే అదే కదా అంటే 2 ఉండకూడదా అంటే ఇక్కడ 2 టైమ్స్ రావాలి ఏంటి మీకు 3,000 అని రావాలి ఏంటి 3,000 రెండు ఒకటే కదా that question you should get. Okay, what is that question? How to give the details of the employee second highest salary. For that you have to write nested subquery. Nested subquery means 3: main query, subquery, nested subquery. Now still we are in subqueries. So here you can see query to get details of the employee having salary more than average salary. Query to get details of the employee details of the employee having salary more than average salary. So here we'll give average salary here. Select AVG sal from EMP. So average salary is 2073. This is average salary. Average salary, how you'll get? How you'll get average salary? How you'll get? See, please see me. I think some are seeing phone. Please see me. Some are not seeing me. I'm only shouting. మీరు కింద అలా చూస్తుంటారు, మీరు నోట్బుక్ చూడరు, నాకు తెలుసు. అక్కడ ఫోన్ ఉంటుంది. నన్ను చూడాలి కదా, 2 minutes ఒకసారి చూడాలి కదా మీరు. నేను ఎంత హర్ట్ అవుతాను, నేనేమో అరుస్తుంటాను మైక్లో, మీరేమో నన్ను చూడరు. మీరు ఒక్కొక్కసారి అలా లుక్ ఇస్తే సరిపోద్ది. నేనేమనుకుంటాను, మీరు వింటున్నారు అనుకుంటాను. నాకు చాలు అది, ఆ హ్యాపీనెస్. మీరేమో ఫోన్ ఆఫ్ చేయండి ప్లీజ్. ఈ చాటింగ్ లో అన్ని యూట్యూబ్ షార్ట్స్ కానీ చూసేస్తున్నారు ఏంటి? ఎందుకు ఈ వరాకిల్ అనిపిస్తుంది ఎందుకంటే చాలా క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నాను కదా. నేను కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అయితే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయాలి, క్లారిటీ ఉంటే కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేయక్కర్లేదు, అంత క్లియర్ గా చెప్తున్నాను కదా. ఓకే, సో ప్లీజ్ గివ్ ఆన్సర్. ఆన్సర్ అడిగినప్పుడు అయితే నన్ను చూడండి, ఆల్ ద బాయ్స్ అండ్ గర్ల్స్. ఆ ఆన్సర్ అడిగినప్పుడు నన్ను చూడండి, తర్వాత మీరు తలదించుకోండి. ఓకే, హౌ విల్ గెట్ యావరేజ్ సాలరీ? See, I am writing average salary on ERP table now. On ERP table, I am writing average salary. How will you get average salary on ERP table? Total number of salaries, 14 salaries. Sum of 14 salaries divided by number of records divided by 14. Sum of 14 salaries. Sum of 14 salaries divided by 14. So it is giving 2073. I should get the details of the employees having more than 2073. Having more than 2073. 2073. Back side, madam. మీరు ఓకేనా? చెప్పండి, క్వరీ చెప్పండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏ రాయాలి? మెయిన్ క్వరీ రాయాలా, సబ్ క్వరీ రాయాలా? ఫస్ట్ మెయిన్ క్వరీ రాయాలి, ఓకేనా? సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్. సెలెక్ట్ స్టార్. Okay, select star from EMP table where salary greater than. Now subquery, select average salary from EMP, like this. సో మెయిన్ క్వరీ ఒక లైన్, సబ్ క్వరీ ఒక లైన్ కాదు, రెండు ఒక లైన్ లో ఉండొచ్చు. నేను రెండు వేరు లైన్స్ లో చెప్పాను అనుకోండి, మీరు ఫిక్స్ అయిపోతారు. మెయిన్ క్వరీ ఫస్ట్ లైన్, సబ్ క్వరీ సెకండ్ లైన్ ఫిక్స్ అయితే మళ్ళీ అదో ప్రాబ్లం. మెయిన్ క్వరీ సబ్ క్వరీ ఒకే లైన్ లో ఉండొచ్చు మీకు. సో హియర్ సబ్ క్వరీ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఫస్ట్. Sub query will give 2073. That is sent to main query. Select as from EMP where salary greater than 2073. So here you will get employee salaries more than 2073. 6 records it is giving. Write the subqueries. Main heading is subqueries. Write the definition, write the queries. Here select max sal means here we'll get 5,000. Down you can write 5,000 you'll get. Select max sal means you will get 5,000 right there. 5,000 you'll get. That 5,000 is used by the main query. And here it is giving six values. MGR and commission is null. That's why it is not showing. EMP table is having 8 columns. It is showing 6 columns. MGR is null. For president, MGR is null. And for president, salary commission is null. That's why it is giving 6 values. Here max cell means here we'll get 5,000 here. Select max cell means 5,000. And here max cell means 3,000. Select max cell means 3,000 from EMP where salary less than 5,000. Less than 5,000, highest salary is 3,000. This will show 3,000 here. 3,000, write the numbers. Here 5,000. Subquery will give 5,000. Main query will give 3,000. Here subquery will give average salary 2,073. And this 2073 is used by the main query. Select asterisk from EMP where salary greater than 2073, this number. First time executing this query to know what is the average. Listen, here we can see note is given here. A subquery can be single row subquery or multi-row subquery. So subquery can give single value or subquery can give multiple values. So when you are working with single row subquery, here when you are working with single row subquery, we can use equal to symbol here. If it is multi-row subquery, we have to use in operator, any operator, sum, all these we can use here. See, in the previous example, we are seeing this. Here in previous example, we are giving this. Select max cell from EMP, this one. So this subquery will give only one value or one row. It is a single row subquery. Subquery is giving only one value or one record, we can say one row or one value or one record. That one value is used by the main query. Here when you see this is also single row subquery only. Here it will give 5,000. 5,000 is used by the main query. And here also this is single row subquery. It will give only one value, average value. That average value is used by the main query. So here multi-row subqueries are also there. Multi-row subqueries means it gives multiple, subquery gives multiple values. Subquery gives multiple values so that they are used by the main query. Write this note. Afternoon we can discuss about multi-row subqueries. Write this note. See in Telegram group, boys and girls group is there now. Put message. 2 o'clock subqueries topic is going on. Please attend. You please put message. In Telegram group, I think you can put message, no? Girls also put message. Like if they are not coming also, we are not taking responsibility, no? Like if your friends are not attending class, put message. Afternoon subqueries topic is going on, so please attend. Afternoon, I should see new students. Afternoon, 2 o'clock. Strength should increase. Increasing strength, you have to do from your side. Okay, now boys, girls, strength pension మీరు afternoon. Subqueries topic, important topic రమ్మని చెప్పండి. లేకపోతే మీరు ఫోన్ చేసి చెప్పండి మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్కి. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఫోన్ లిఫ్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా. If it is multi-row subquery, if the subquery is giving multiple values, we have to use in, any, some, all different operators are there. We can use these. Okay, I'm stopping now. Afternoon, we'll continue with subqueries, nested subqueries, correlated subqueries. We'll see all these. Okay, afternoon class, don't miss. And ask if your friends are not coming, ask them to come for afternoon class. Please inform to them. Okay.